Hi guys, in this video we're gonna see how to fix a zipper pull using candle wax or cover candle. So we're gonna use this candle and put it on the zipper to make it run smooth and see if it works. So I'll just take out one candle. So this is the candle we're gonna use. And here is the zipper pull, or the wallet that we're gonna try and fix. It is really dry. But first I want to clean the zipper just using a wet cloth or wipe, just to take off the dirt. So now I'm gonna use the candle wax and add on the zipper teeth. So we'll start with one side and then do the other side. So now I've added some candle wax to the zipper tag teeth. So I'll just try and drag the zipper back and forth. I'll do one more round. I'm gonna try and blow over with the hairdryer. Okay. So one of the mistakes that I did was not cleaning it before using the hairdryer. So now I have like this wax stains where I have used the hairdryer. So if you're gonna try this, it's important to remember to clean off any excess wax or candle wax before using the hairdryer on the zipper pull teeth, so you don't have to clean off melted candle wax. Also melted some wax on the table. So you can see I still have some spots of wax. Okay, just need to take those off or clean it before using the hairdryer. Here you can see the results. Much better now, much more smooth after using the candle and the hairdryer. So it runs perfectly. Easy and smooth. Only thing now I have like wax all over the wallet that I kind of need to remove. So this was a video on how to make a zipper run smooth. Using candle wax, you can use any candle wax, and a hairdryer. Just remember to wipe off any excess wax that falls down on the other parts of the wallet before using the hairdryer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you wish to see more content like this. God bless, take care, always. It runs really smooth and light now compared to before. Really, really impressive.